Yo, 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 what's up? I wanted to show you guys something. So I had brand new bumper for this Tesla, which was, by the way, was destroyed from factory. I don't know if as soon as they get printed out, they just like throw them in the ground. But it was destroyed. And now somehow I got a big piece of chunky right there. Anyways, brand new bumper, right? And then we blended. There was a couple chips there, a couple chips here, a couple chips here, but this was blend. So we blended this out. A little advice for you guys when you do that is I put on, this is a pearl white, okay? I put on my first coat, right? Just use the gun, how I always teach you guys. Use the gun to your benefit. I didn't do none of this, right? None of this floppy Joe stuff. Just went nice and easy, like this, right? Then I put another second coat, okay? Angling the gun a little bit more this way. So then it could be fading out nice. It could be blending out very nicely. Nice, 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 nice. Then, the key here, what I did is, with my microfiber cloth, okay? I sprayed some water cleaner on it, okay? And then, after this ground coat was really dry, I blew and I tacked this with the microfiber cloth, damp, okay? To get it all the overspray out, all right? Then, I proceeded to put 2 coats of pearl, and so you can see, this job came out extremely clean. All right, just a little advice for you guys when painting front ends, when you're blending and you don't want to, put base over the whole entire thing. This is a white pearl, and you can see that it looks beautiful, and it works very, very well. Just a little tip for you guys to keep in mind. Now you got to make sure that the base is really, really dry if you're going to use a microfiber cloth, or else you run into big issues with the lint and stuff and the microfiber actually sticking to the base, and then you'll blame me for it. So just a disclaimer there. But don't do anything I do, don't do anything I say, because I'm not a PPG rep or anything like that. But this works amazing. Blended out the white pearl really beautifully, and I'm very happy for that. And this can go and get put together. All right, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Hopefully I explained it easy enough. Love you so much. God bless you. Take care. Woo!